Kiro Salada yan. When I met you, I had no idea how much my life was about to be changed. But then, how could I have known you were a godsend to me?
Steady through the highs and lows, closer than your skin and bones. I'll be here for you. I'll be here for you. Shining in your darkest night, holding your heart in mine. I'll be here for you.
Hindi ko akalain na hahantong tayo sa altar na ito sa kabila ng ups and downs. Mas dun natin napaparamdam sa isa't isa yung katatagan.
Through heartache and trouble and nothing drag you down. I want you to know I won't let you go. Give me your heart and soul.
Mikey, Mommy, because of you, I laugh, smile, and I dare to dream again.
When you're running out of breath, I'll be.
Thank you for the miracle of you and Mateus. Pangako ko sa inyo na mamahalin ko kayo without reservation and hesitation. Cherish you and hold you in the highest. I will support you and comfort you through life and joys and sorrows. These things I give to you today and all the days of our life. I love you.
I want you to know I won't let you go.
Charles Brian Limakulangan, ikaw yung unexpected na dumating sa buhay ko. Sa lahat na naging heartbreaks ko pa noon, hindi ko naisip na may darating na magpaparamdam at magpapakita ng tunay na pag-ibig.
We'll never let this love grow cold. We'll never let this love grow cold.
I thank God at I thank Mateus dahil sa inyo ay pinapatatag niyo ako every day. And I vow to be your biggest fan and partner in crime and to support our family with you in a home filled with patience, love, and understanding.
You, my heart will stay. There's no mountain we can't climb. Crossing over.
I vow to grow old with you and to love you faithfully and unconditionally.
Here with you, my heart will stay. Here with you, my heart will stay. We'll never let this love go.
I promise to be by you through difficult and easy times. What may come, I promise to be always there with love, as I have given my life to you. I love you, Daddy.